today. I actually just got this game yesterday, and I just was gonna try it out for the first time with you guys. So as you can see, I honestly have no idea what's happening. What is the black market? Alright, cool. New game.
Former agency operative Rico Rodriguez. Up to this point, his whereabouts have been unknown since our withdrawal from Medici. Responsible for deposing half a dozen heads of state. The Black Hand have encountered him before in San Espirito, where he assassinated our employer, President Salvador Mendoza. We fought him again in Medici, where he overthrew Sebastiano di Ravello. Though the agency had some involvement, this is his handler, Tom Sheldon. We've learned Rodriguez's motivation for liberating Medici was personal.
You have briefed me on this man before, Commander Morales. We're preparing a test. Can we cut to the chase, por favor?
Of course, Senor Espinosa. Intelligence suggests that he is the son of Miguel Rodriguez.
My Miguel Rodriguez? Huh.
And he's here, in Solis, now.
So,
Jesus, for a second I thought
that's
you
my
had
father's
8
super weapon.
fingers.
Project Tiapa.
I'm not even kidding.
He was a kind
He
man,
had
my
8
father.
fingers.
A scientist. Doesn't make sense he would build such a thing.
My uncle was a good man too.
And they both ended up dead. Lots of questions, Time to get some answers.
You can't do this alone. I have people who can help us.
Mira, I've done this kind of thing before.
This is different.
I can handle some bad weather.
It's more than bad weather, Rico. If you would just listen to me.
Mira, a plan is a list of things that go wrong. I like to keep my list short. Just be ready. When I patch you into that console, you'll have to find Espinosa quickly. He answers my questions, we destroy Project Iapa. Plan.
Well, buena suerte.
Oscar Espinosa, better be ready to talk.
Okay, so I don't even know the
Comms
controls
check.
in this game. I see that
Hear
this
you
is
loud
right
and
there.
clear. I'm going to monitor your progress from a safe distance.
Okay. So the only thing I know
The road is walled
is
off.
like this because
Can you get over it?
I played Just Cause 3 and 4, so I didn't record
Okay,
any of 3.
where to now?
But
Those lights across the valley? Head towards them.
what?
That's a big tower.
Espinosa promises it will change the world. No more tornadoes or hurricanes.
I'm not gonna make it.
And most of Solis believes him.
Project Iapa won't be a problem after today, Mira.
If your plan works.
Yeah, well, I'm not.
It will work.
So much for reaching the landing zone. Guess I'm just gonna grapple up to it then.
Made it.
Bueno. Follow that piping. You're gonna come face to face with the Black Hand.
Took out my gun.
We've come face to face before. Heading up.
Where am I heading up to? I didn't hear what they said. I guess I'm going up here. I knew I could do that. So. Or you can grapple and pull out your parachute and Just Cause 3, I don't know if it's going to be in this game too, but, what's it called? There was a wingsuit, that's what it was. Please. Whoa, that's cool. My keyboard is,
Hostile contact acknowledged. We're sending a unit now.
Zip!
oh, yes, I can still do that. Then. And I blew him away. Alright, let's go. Where am I getting shot at? Okay, well, cleaned in. So this is basically all FPS game thing. Like, same controls, that's what I mean. Like, R reload, WASD move, and then left mouse to shoot.
No further
Right
contact.
mouse
All
is
units
to
stay alert.
grapple instead of scope. That's the only-
Weren't too happy to have me poking around. No sweat.
Okay. So, I've noticed that my grappler is a lot longer in this game. Okay, so they still have the grapple feature. This is basically the same thing. I think the graphics are better though. Well, I should probably fix them because I don't like how they look. But they definitely will turn out. I think. If I fix it. If I even can figure out how to.
Attention to all Blackhand. There is an intruder outside. Eliminate the hostile before the next test commences.
Oh, yeah. Why is this game so loud?
I'm at Project Iapa.
Rico, there's a console further up this structure. Not sure how you'll...
I'll figure it
Yes,
out.
I can still grapple onto that.
Hostile in our area of operations.
Oops, I don't think I was
Acknowledged.
supposed to
Intruder
go
on
there.
site.
Should
All
be-
units engage.
I can't even tell if there's like people or not. I'm just blowing people away left, right,
Copy.
and center.
We acquire target.
There's a
Now.
person. There's another person. Somebody's shooting at me. I'm gonna... Jeez. Are you bad? I don't know. Are you guys bad? I think I'm going fine with this. I'm not sure. Oh well. That's getting blown away. That person's getting blown away. Alright, good. It's not all over. Oh my god, there's more people dying. You're a big bad. You're a big bad. Yeah, the scientists don't seem to be big bad because they're not. Oh shoot, I'm out of ammo. Wait, do I have another weapon? It's telling me to hold R to switch weapons.
Move!
I can still do that. What are they doing? They're just sliding around. Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna lose them. Whoa. Oh, sick. I have a cool arrow. Where am I even getting shot at from? But I can't. Jeez, I want Alright. Okay, so shift is precision. So I'm supposed to get up there, I guess. And, alright. So now what do I do since I'm up here?
Could use this vent to get me up there.
Wow. Very. So am I supposed to, like, jump and use my parachute? barrels? Yeah, those are exploding barrels. Jeez, like fireworks. Explosion. Ah! Who's shooting
Okay,
me?
Mira, I found the console.
Yeah, let me get that.
Patch me in, and I'll locate Espinosa for you.
Ah, yes, this is how you hack stuff.
You're in, Mira.
Listo. Stay close to that console, or I'll lose my connection.
What is in here? It's so open.
All units, the hostile has access to the network.
A grenade launcher.
Stop the intruder at all.
Oops. I shot it behind myself.
Well, shit.
Just hold them off. I'll find him as fast as I can.
Jeez, this is like our first AR.
Yeah, that'll do.
RPG? Jeez. It's like a nuclear weapon. You see these explosions?
They're trying, lady.
Nice, that's something I would say. Just like hold them off, get them off, or whatever. They're trying. I'm not blocking them. I think I killed them. I didn't even know if they're big explosion. Oh man, I ran out of it. Alright, we're done. Good. Hey, that's a basic.
Got a black hand here.
I'm through security. Just hang in a few more seconds and you'll be able to move.
Oops. I blew myself up. Wakanda forever. Yeah, I think I did a bad. Do I have to do this whole thing over again? I do.
You're in, Mira.
Listo. Stay
How do
close
I
to that
crouch?
console or I'll lose my connection.
I guess I don't. Oh shoot.
All units, the hostile has access to the network. Stop the intruder at all costs.
Well, shit.
Just hold them off.
What
I'll
even
find
is
him as
this?
fast as I can.
Oh shoot. Stop. Alright, I'm getting out. I just need to load people down, I guess. Alright, so most of them are dead. I'm afraid to open this because I think I'm
Crate full of weapons.
Will the Black Hand never deploy unprepared? All units, kill the intruder.
Are they shooting fireworks? What is
They're trying, lady.
Grenade! Was that you who threw the grenade? Or was it you? Or was it one of you guys? Why do they keep coming? Can't they tell that I'm just gonna kill everybody now? Get the hack done? This is
Got a black hand here.
I'm through security. Just hang in a few more seconds and you'll be able to move, Rico. I'm looking for him.
Take your time.
yeah, I'm just gonna unload it. Where is it? blow myself up now.
All that, and he's at the top of the...
All that, and he's at the top of the...
He's unlikely he has survived this long.
This is not an ordinary man, Senor Espinosa.
See, we might as well make sure.
Si, Senor Espinosa.
Let's see what Project Diapa can do, shall we?
Senor.
They're doing
Take a
something.
few moments for the core to reach full power. Do you think you can keep him occupied until then?
This is Commander Morales. We have a threat on sight. Activate
I'm
Iapa's
flying.
defenses. Engage all artillery towers.
Oh yeah, you see that?
That woman with Rico at the airport. Is that who I think it was?
See?
Who? I don't
Deal
even
with
know who it
that,
was.
please.
With pleasure.
I got my ability out. That was just the introduction.
Rico. Rico, this is Mira. Please respond.
Mira,
Come in, Rico. Please respond.
Mira.
Rico! Ay, Dios mío, you're alive. I lost your GPS.
See, my grappling hook's broken. So is my wingsuit. Parachute. Maybe a few ribs. I'll need to make repairs.
I have tools at El Abismo. What's your location?
A forest? I don't know.
I'm sending you my coordinates. Hope it works.
Got it. I'll see you soon. Shit.
Okay, so I think that's a great spot to end it here. So, thank you guys all for watching. Like, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you made it to the end of the video, comment the number 4. And I'll see all you dudes in the next video! And